Good morning to all. Dear children, last day we learned about reflection of light from a plane mirror. How you can draw these diagrams. I think all of you are drawing this in your notebook and reading your textbook. And we know that two rays are there. Ray of incident ray and a reflected ray. Incident ray means ray that falls in the plane mirror. Reflected ray is the ray that reflects from the plane mirror. And today we are going to study more about mirror. In the picture you can see one girl. She is raising her right hand and one image forms, but what difference you can see in that image? Girl raising her right hand, but in that image you can see it as the left hand. Such a change or shift of the lateral side of the images in the opposite direction is called lateral inversion. Then this is one important property of image that forms in the mirror. That means when you raise your right hand in image it is left hand. If you raise your left hand in image it is right hand. That is opposite direction. Direction is opposite. And this property of the image that forms in the mirror is called the lateral inversion. Next you can see the picture of an ambulance, and all of you look how it is written in the ambulance, and you can you write like this in one paper and observe it in front of the mirror. How can you read? That is one activity. Then after that you can see one special type of mirror. Its name is Aranmula mirror. That means this Aranmula mirror made in village Aranmula. That is the name of one village Aranmula. And this mirror is a special type of mirror. And what is the main peculiarity of this mirror? This mirror gives a clearer image than ordinary mirror. So this mirror is expensive. Only that family can make that Aranmula mirror. So it is very expensive, and they made that mirror by using an alloy of copper and tin. That is a special type of alloy. And after that we are going to see the peculiarity of the image formed by a plane mirror. The size of the image will be the same that of the object. Then you can see the size of the image and object. Both are same. Size of the image and size of the object. Both are same. That is one peculiarity of the image that formed in the plane mirror. After that you can see another peculiarity. That is the distance between the image and the mirror is equal to the distance between the object and a mirror. And third property is the image will undergo lateral inversion. Next we can see different types of images that forms in a mirror. Now you can do one activity in your home. Activity is given, that is, we know that we have familiarized ourselves with the plane mirror. An image formed in the plane mirror the same as the one in the flat steel ladle. We can observe it. Paste a silver paper without fold on a postcard size chart paper and keep it under a heavy book and allow it to dry. Observe the image of your face on the sheet. Observe the image keeping the sheet slightly bent forward. Observe the change in the image when the sheet is bent slightly backward. You can do this activity in your home. Thank you. Have a nice